ended up having to do 2 tires, and one of the wheel bearings had come loose. I had to tighten up a wheel bearing. I got the wiring repaired. The brakes work, but they're not adjusted properly, so they barely grab. But that's all right, because the 135 don't weigh much, so that won't be a problem. The truck can more than handle it, especially with the exhaust brake, you know. So yeah, planning on getting the 135, picking up some tools and equipment, my notcher, welder, all that stuff, because I need to get the 135 cage this winter. I was talking to my buddy Durham, and cage kits. I've seen a lot of my friends actually using the cage kits recently. There's the kit company that Rob Parsons is partial owner in, and what they do is they 3D scan the whole entire inside of the vehicle, and then they CNC bend and CNC notch the whole cage off CAD, you know, and the fitment on these things is pretty ridiculous, and they come all laser etched to line everything up, so you literally just put it together and weld it, and they aren't very expensive. For my 135, for a full FD kit with door bars is $1,900. You can't even get material for that. You know, material's probably $1,000, $1,200, and then you're spending all the time bending it up and notching everything, and the materials and just tooling that you'll go through too, the bits, you know, flap discs, everything, welding wire. Well, I mean, you're still going to be using the same amount of welding wire, but just all the other consumables that you're saving just buying the kit and welding it together yourself. And like I said, the fitment's great, so I'll definitely be doing a whole video on that when that time comes, because I definitely need to get that car caged this winter. So I think we're still looking at, we left around 9:30, we're still looking at about 12 or 13, probably 13 hours worth of driving here. It puts us there around 3 o'clock in the morning, I think, because we'll need at least one stop for fuel. So I'll probably be stopping and sleeping in the truck on the side of the road like the old days here at some point. I made sure to grab my window covers and a mat to sleep on. And then tomorrow, I'll go pick up the car and then get into the shipping containers and reorganize everything and get stuff loaded up. And then we'll also be working on the excavator this weekend, so I'll do a video on the excavator too. That's the one that my buddy had caught on fire, and I rewired the whole thing, la-di-da, a bunch of hydraulic hoses. Now we're just on the throttle cables, and we should be able to get it to fire up, hopefully, fingers crossed. I think that's all I got today for an update, and I will get back with you guys tomorrow when we're picking up the car. Take it easy.